So in this video, we are required to find the LCM of 90 and 108. Well, there are two methods by which we can determine this. We can use the basic method and we can use the new method, which is applicable in this case. So I'm going to be using the new method first. So the first thing is to know that LCM is the least common multiple, and it is gotten by taking the product of the highest power of the prime factor of 90 and 108. In this case, so we need the prime factorization of 90. So let's start. So 90 divided by 2, that is what? 45. And 45 divided by 3, that will give us 15. 15 divided by 3, that will give us what? 5. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. So we know that the prime factorization of 90 will be what? 2 times 3 raised to power 2 times what? 5. Okay, then let's move on to the next one, that is 108. So for 108, so 108 divided by 2, that will give us 54, right? So this will give us 54. Then 54 divided by 2, that will give us what? 27. 27 divided by 3, that will give us what? 9. 9 divided by 3, that will give us 3. 3 divided by 3, that would give us what? 1. So in that case, 108 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power what? 3. Okay, so now from the definition I mentioned the other time, that LCM is the product of the highest power of the prime factors. So what are the prime factors? The prime factors here are what? 2, 3, 5, right? These are the prime factors. So we are now considering the product of the highest power. So between 2 and 2, which one is the highest power? That's 2 raised to power 2. So we have 2 raised to power 2 times. Then between 3 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 3, which one is the highest power? That's 3 raised to power 3. That's 3 raised to power 3. Then we have 5. We don't have 5 here. Then multiply by what? 5. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. That is 4. Then 3 raised to power 3 is what? 27 times 5. So 4 times 27, then times 5. That will give us what? 540. So basically the LCM of this particular factor is what? 540. I want to believe this video has helped. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Don't leave this without subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.